Justice Nyako's return back to court refused to be replaced as she is determined to complete Nnamdi Kanu's trial. You must go. You must go. I don't know. This now boils down on the decision of the rule of law. If the chief judge knows about the rule of law and she knows the penalty to give to people of this kind who try to, show strong head to the rule of law, then she should do that with immediate effect because Justice Nyako cannot return back to Nnamdi Kanu's trial. I greet everybody out there listening to this very trial, to this very broadcast. It's been wonderful and so sweet having you once again. I know you'll be shocked to hear this, but that is just the truth. Nyako is threatening to return back to the trial. It's not possible. Well, Nnamdi Kanu, the 10th leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, filed a petition against Justice Nyako of the Federal High Court, accusing her of judicial misconduct in handling his case. Now, this petition submitted through Kanu's younger brother, Prince Emmanuel Kanu, has led to the recusal of Justice Binta Nyako. Kanu's petition highlights a series of actions that he believes have violated his rights and the Nigerian Constitution. One of the central issues raised is the revocation of Kanu's bail, while he had initially been granted by Justice Nyako. Well, according to Kanu, the revocation was followed by the issuance of a bench warrant for his arrest, leading to his abduction in Kenya on June 19, 2021, and his extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. He was then, secretly produced before Justice Nyako on June 29, 2021, without his legal counsel present, which Kanu argues was a violation of his constitutional rights, specifically Section 36 of 3 and 36 of 4A of the 1999 Constitution. With this effect, the IPOB leader demanded for immediate recusal of Justice Nyako. The Chief Judge has made a quick decision, ordering Justice Binta Nyako to be recused, replacing her with Justice Omotosho, who happened to be the new judge to proceed with Nnamdi Kanu's trial. A trial date which has now been fixed on March 21st is yet to happen. Justice Nyako has petitioned the court demanding for a return until Nnamdi Kanu's trial is concluded. Hey, Justice Nyako. Well, that is if the court will grant that to you. That is if the court doesn't have respect to the rule of law. That is when that can be done. You see, this is what Nnamdi Kanu is saying, that Nigeria does not, have respect for the rule of law. And he has a point. Because if Justice Binta Nyako, who passed through the fall of the law school, first of all, passed through the fall of university to study law, went to law school as a lawyer, passed through series of tests before becoming a judge, can, be going against the rule of law. I wonder what she is expecting ordinary Nigerians to do when the law try to catch up with them. You understand? And this is one of the things we're saying. You see, it is not possible that Justice Binta Nyako return back to the courts. it's going to be a blunder and an error to the latter. And I don't think that the court should be able to grant such a request. Yes, I don't think the court should be able to grant such a request because her return is for a purpose. Now she have seen that have been in trial, have been the judge handling Nnamdi Kanu's trial uh, is for her advantage, and she has an interior motive, and that interior motive has been, tarnished the day she was declined for a new lawyer, for a new judge to take over. So all these things are actually an issue to her, and she is not um, happy happy for that. But I want to say that the court has really done well by making sure that Justice Nyako is recused. Yes, or else it wouldn't she wouldn't have been able to produce a fair judgment for the IPOP leader, or the IPOP leader's trial will keep getting adjournment, and because that is what she was planning to do. But Chukwukike Abiyama didn't allow her. Or what do you think I've said? Anyway, it's not possible anyway, my dear listeners, or is it? Let me quickly hear from you on this matter, and then let's know what your opinions and what your take about this actually is. It's been wonderful and so sweet having you here. Thank you for giving us this ample opportunity to reach out to you through this very channel, The Lord TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated. Thank you.